This is an organic vegetable and herb garden with beautiful flowers, lavender and marigolds. There's kale, sweet pepper, basil, butter lettuce, organic salad mix, parsley and dill growing, and tomatoes, which have already started. It's so wonderful to eat vegetables and herbs straight from the earth, picking it from your own garden. This is my first garden I've ever created, but you can even grow in bins like this salad mix if you don't have an area in your home or apartment. It brings life and nourishment and nutrients, and it's also fun to step on the dirt and be with Mother Earth every morning to water the flowers. For healing and health for your body, for food, and also for a wonderful grounding practice, try starting gardening, even with little pots. Have a great day. Namaste.